Or good afternoon, my dear students. Today again with a new lesson, factorizing hard trinomials. We all facing problems factorizing hard trinomials. Today we will discuss the easiest and simplest way to factorize hard trinomial that it will make you never use calculator again. Okay, let's take a simple example as first to discuss the way we will transform this hard trinomial into an easy trinomial by multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the absolute term. So let's rewrite the trinomial as follows: x squared plus 3x plus 2, and the 2 resulted by multiplying 2 by 1. Then we have to factorize the easy trinomial, which is pretty easy, by opening two brackets. The factorization of x squared will be x. The loss sign is positive, so the signs will be both positive as the sign of the middle term. Then we will search for two numbers. Their product is equal to 2 and their sum is equal to 3. Yes, I can hear you now saying 2 times 1. The answer 2 times 1. Then we will divide both absolute terms in both brackets by the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. So x plus 2 is dividing by 2, and the other bracket will be x plus 1 over 2. Let's solve this simple division. X plus 1 and x plus half will be the same. Then we will write the denominator as a coefficient of x in the second bracket. The final answer will be x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. And voila! Now you can factorize hard trinomial without using calculator with the simplest and easiest way ever. Now let's try another example, a little bit harder example. 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. The first step is to rewrite this trinomial as a simple trinomial by multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the absolute term, which is negative 5. The new trinomial will be x squared minus 14x minus 15. The trinomial will be factorized as two brackets. We have to search for two numbers. Their product is equal to 15 and the difference between them is equal to 14. The two numbers will be 15 times 1 and 15 minus 1. The factorization of x squared will be x. The last sign is negative, so the answer will be negative and positive, two different signs. I know you all know that. The product of the two numbers is 15 and 1. The greater number 15 will be written with the negative sign because the middle term is negative. 15 and 1. Now we will divide both terms by 3, which is the coefficient of x squared in the hard trinomial. By dividing both terms by 3, let's find the answer. 15 by 3 is equal to 5 and x plus 1 over 3. Now the final step is to write the denominator in the second bracket as a coefficient of x. X minus 5 and 3x plus 1. Another example. Let's try this one, a little bit harder. Yes, I can hear you all now saying that we have to multiply the 3, the coefficient of x squared, by the absolute term 3 and rewrite the trinomial as a simple trinomial. X squared plus 10x plus 24. Now we will search for two numbers. Their product is equal to 24 and their sum is equal to 10. Let's think together. It's 3 times 8. No, 3 times 8 is equal to 24, but 3 plus 8 is not equal to 10. Is it 2 times 12? No, because 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. What is the result here? Yes, 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is equal to 24, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then let's write the brackets. X plus 6 and x plus 4. Let's go to the final step by dividing both terms by 3. Why 3? Because 3 is the coefficient of x squared. The first bracket will be x plus 2, and the second bracket will be 3x plus 4, and voila, you can now factorize hard trinomial by the simplest and easiest way ever. Let's try another one. By multiplying the coefficient of y squared by the absolute term, we can find that y squared plus 7y minus 18. And then we will factorize it as a simple trinomial. Y squared will be factorized as y. The last sign is negative, so we will write it as positive negative. Then we will search for two numbers. Their product is equal to 18, and the difference between them is equal to 7. Their product is equal to 18, and the difference between them is equal to 7. The two numbers will be 9 and 2. 9 times 2 is equal to 18, and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And I know that you all know that the 9 will be written with the positive sign, because the greater number always be written with the middle term, the sign of the middle term. Now we will divide both terms by 3. When dividing both terms by 3, the first bracket will be y plus 3. And the second bracket, 2 dividing by 3, can't be, so we will write the denominator as a coefficient of y in the second bracket, 3y minus 2. And now I'm sure you will love this way. It's an easy way to factorize the hard trinomial, and it is suitable for all types of hard trinomial. Thank you.